A simple video to create alarms in your Windows PC. Go to alarms and clock. After opening the app, here you can see stopwatches, alarms, world clock. You have to go to the alarm section. Here it is default set at 7 AM. You can edit this alarm to any time you want. If you want to repeat it, you can click and click this particular thing. Choose a sound you want to play and the snooze time. If you want to display some message, it goes here. Now click on save. Your alarm will be saved here. That's how you create alarms in your Windows PC. Thank you for watching.